everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Apple TV subscription from Amazon Prime Video. Let's get started. First, open the Prime Video app and choose your profile. Then scroll all the way down until you see the subscription section. Tap on Manage Your Subscriptions, and here you'll see all the platforms you're subscribed to. Just select Apple TV+. Now tap on Cancel. A message will pop up asking, "Are you sure you want to end your subscription?" Go ahead and choose Turn Off Auto Renew. After that, Prime Video will ask you to pick a reason from the list. Just choose one, and that's it. Your subscription will be canceled. Now you know how to cancel your Apple TV subscription directly from Prime Video.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.